advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 28 degrees with light snow. Tonight, snow showers, low 24. Winds north-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
So I'm 10 minutes late doing this video. Big deal. Wow. It's actually starting to get slippery a little. Look at the cars, man. Look at that. Completely covered in snow. Oh my God. I can't imagine what's... I freaking am thinking about actually getting dressed and getting the coat and going down to High Volume, the Shell station, and see if it's even open. It's probably not. It's probably closed. But yeah. So I'm going to try to get Bella out here in a little bit. See if Stan will let me get Bella out here to play in the snow. And hopefully Shadow will want to go outside and have her play in the snow if her owners let her. But anyways, so in about an hour I'll be back out here, and yes, it is getting kind of cold out here. It's according to the Weather Channel, as you saw, it's 28 degrees. So I don't want to be out here too long, but it's still, I don't think it's up north 28 cold. I think it's down south 28 cold. But anyways, that's it for now. Until another hour. Bye for now. I love it. This is awesome. It's awesome.